My name is Princess Umul Hatiyya. I am the globe-trotting princess and author. Welcome to my city, Accra. Accra is the capital of Ghana. Now today I'm taking you on a tour to various places in the city. Accra is a bustling, busy city where people are kind and friendly and would help you. Accra is definitely the place to be. We're currently at the Independence Square in Accra. Now, the Independence Square is the second largest square in the world after Tiananmen Square. Now, currently this place is empty, but during Independence Day celebrations, the place is packed. There's so many people colorfully dressed to celebrate our independence, which we got from the British on the 6th of March in 1957. Zehra Restaurant in Osu is the best place to visit for authentic Ghanaian dishes. They have a wide choice of Ghanaian dishes. They have banku, tilapia, fufu and goat meat, light soup, and these are all delicacies we eat on a normal basis. The spices, we use a lot of ginger, a lot of garlic, but also the way it's prepared. I think that also makes Ghanaian food even extra special. Accra has about 4 million people. Accra is a major economic trading hub of Ghana. We're in Makola Market. Makola Market is the second largest market in West Africa. This is where I come to buy all my fabrics, food stuff. It's a busy, bustly place. It's a lovely place to come. So if you want to get any souvenirs, Makola Market is the place to come. Now, come on with me.
Aquaba, oh sister, I know be your brider. Give me one chance, make I be a fighter, provider. Go for my man, make I be a pasta.
Good afternoon. Now, these are colorful Ghanaian fabrics. This is a kente fabric, which we wear for various occasions. And there are also some cloths where we wear for funerals and naming ceremonies. Okay, I hope you enjoyed my tour of Accra. I look forward to seeing you in Accra, Ghana very soon. Bye-bye for now.